like maybe advise which area we should invest, which area we should convert all these industrial and commercial properties into residential?
It's a very good investment right now.
Wow. Riviera Alimos, Paleophallero, Microlímano, Piraeus towards like New Phallero.
Kostas, it's still the center of Athens, you know.
As soon as the metro line will be finished, the properties will already add value like 20-30%, as I understand, yes?
Exactly.
Hello, everyone. Welcome to my first session of podcasts with specialists in the field. Today I invited Mr. Konstantinos Adrahtas from Athens. He is a specialized expert in real estate field. And Konstantinos, thank you for finding time to be online and share your knowledge and share your expertise. I know you're a very busy person, so I really appreciate. Actually, my first guest for my new line of podcasts, so I'm very privileged to have you. We know each other for a couple of years socially and professionally as well. So I'm very happy to have specialists in the field that they know the market and they are willing to share information about real estate market in Greece.
Yes, I'm very happy for the invitation. Thank you very much about it. I am in the real estate field for about 8 to 10 years. And I specialize in commercial portfolio. We do hotels, we do whole buildings, offices, anything that is commercial and all over Greece, not in Athens. We also do residential.
You're specialized in, you're like outsourcing commercial buildings and then you can sell them full and help with conversion as well from industrial into residential. Yes, and you do.
Right now, what we do most is because of the new law for the golden visa. You know that the golden visa, it was in the beginning at 200,000 and 50,000. After that, it was at 500,000. Now, if you want to get a golden visa in Greece, you have to pay 800,000 euros per property. But we have another law that it says that if you convert a commercial building into residential, you can get a golden visa for 250,000.
Wow, so, amazing.
Yeah, that's what we are doing this period of time. We specialize in this. And we have a lot of projects that we convert buildings from commercial to residential. We have a lot of clients from Israel, from Lebanon, from all over the world that they are doing this exactly thing right now.
Yes, that's wonderful because it's a very interesting field because I'm more specialized in the residential field, like rentals and stuff. But it's a very good insight to know that you can outsource buildings, maybe also in industrial areas like Piraeus and Petralona and things like that, because there are amazing regions that they can still house residential properties, but they don't have many residential buildings. So it's an interesting law, an interesting field to be in. And you're outsourcing building off market and distressed assets, as I understand. So you're just getting hidden gems. You're finding the hidden gems and the hidden the delicious properties that you can't find on Chrysievkeri and Spitogatos and other sources and so on, which is a very interesting point because I know that many of even my clients, they don't want to invest in properties that are already advertised on specialized platforms. They want to get properties that are, hidden gems, like special offers, deals, good deals. As we said.
That's what we do usually. We have a lot of listings that we have it off on the market, so we can give it to our customers.
Wonderful, wonderful. And where is your area of interest mainly? Is it like Central Athens, Piraeus area, North? Where are you mainly
We
focused?
usually work all over Athens, specialize in the center of Athens and then on the south, on the Riviera. We have a good deal with, the Hellinikon project that it's the best big thing that it's going here in Athens, and it's going to be for about 15 years.
Wonderful.
For
Yes.
about 15 years, we think that we will have a lot of properties to sell. It's one of the biggest park in the Europe.
Tell me about it a little bit, because I didn't make any educational videos on Hellinikon project. So tell us what is happening. Did they, did they start? Where are they?
They start. We have already sell apartments. The big tower that it's going to be built, it's already, I think, on the 20th floor. Right now, I can see him from my windows, from my office.
Wonderful.
It's going to be a very good, very beautiful
Development, yes, the area. So for those who don't know, Hellinikon project is a region, a brand new region, which is being developed in the old airport in Athens, in Riviera.
Yeah.
So that used to be Hellinikon Airport until the Olympic Games, and then it's been some sort abandoned. So it's just like a waste of real estate, a waste of land. And a couple of years ago, it's been approved to be developed into a new modern region. I normally say is like a tiny Dubai of Athens Riviera, which I don't know if it's right or wrong, but this is how I pitch it to my clients. And it sounds promising.
Or like the Central Park
Yes.
in the United States.
Yes,
It actually
exactly.
will be bigger one than Central Park.
Yes. So, and also it will have super tall buildings, which is very unusual for Athens.
Exactly.
It will have a huge building that has view all over Athens and seaside and things like that. So it's a very exciting project for Athens and for the Riviera, because also it showed that the market is stable, and we had a lot of foreign investment. So it kind of, this particular project, it put the dot on shifting the market from the high risk, high return. Then before the project was approved, it was low risk, high return, and that now we have a steadiness. We are sure that the market is like low risk, and I think I can't say super high return, but we have a middle return. I think Athens still offers 8 to 10% if you outsource good deals. Yes, as I understand.
Yes, it's a very good investment right now.
Wow. Yes.
So if someone has the budget to do it, to buy a property, to renovate and sell for golden visa, he will have a very good income.
What about cash flow, like renovating and renting for a 5-10 year plan?
It depends the location of the project. We have some projects that are near to universities, so they can have a very good return as a lease for students.
Wonderful. And
Yeah.
so I very much appreciate the Greek market, because it's the fastest growing market, real estate market in Europe. So, and that's the main reason I actually moved there and started buying residential properties and stuff. You have also a team that is doing property management, meaning rentals, as I understand.
We do Airbnb, we do rentals, we do a lot of things. Yeah. We manage properties a lot. We have a big portfolio, about 50 apartments here in Athens and in Corfu, an island in the Ionian Pelagos. And we are going to find more and get bigger.
Yeah, so you're just open to expand your portfolio and expand your opportunities. Yeah. So you're like all Greece, focused in all Greece, not necessarily Athens or Central Athens or any particular islands, which is amazing. So I will keep the podcast short, but I want you as an expert in the field to give my followers some tips. So in case they have 100 or 200 or £500,000 or euros to invest in, would you have something to tell them to know about the Greek real estate?
So if someone wants to invest in real estate in Greece, as with the new law for golden visa and for properties that are converted from commercial to residential, we have a lot of stores in Athens that are closed, and they can buy a store for about 100,000. He can make a small renovation and resell it as a golden visa, so he can have a return about 20 or 25%. We also, yeah, we also have a lot of buildings that we can lease them in a good, in a very good price. And what I have to say is that if someone wants to invest in Greece, he has to find a good real estate agent, a license, that because wherever you have real estate or any other job that it's in a very good condition, a lot of people go and try to get it. So what you need is to find an agent that is listed.
Professional specialized agent with a license, because in any countries, but particularly in Greece, there will be a lot of amateurs that doesn't have a license and they still call themselves estate agents, and then they don't know anything about the market or the finances of it and things like that, and you might end up in trouble. Yeah.
We as a company, we also tell to our customers, to our clients, that they have to find a lawyer, and we can give them a lawyer and accountant to help them with all the necessary paper that it needs to be done. So we give a whole.
You give the whole package to your client from A to Z, and full assistance. Yes. So I always advise the same to my clients, because lawyer service is not necessary, it's not mandatory, but it's necessary, because only the lawyer can do background check on the property and find all the faults or everything that needs to be done, because the notary will do that as well, but lawyer is there to protect you and protect your interests. And in the Jewish world, we say that we're too poor for a cheap accountant or too poor for a cheap lawyer. So don't save money on a lawyer, on an accountant, because they are protecting your interests, and also they're taking responsibility for the faults that will happen in that particular exchange and deal and so on. So yes, thank you. Any insights, anything else that maybe advise which area we should invest, which area we should convert all these industrial and commercial properties into residential? Which area is the hottest now, like in Athens, for example?
Right now, the hottest, it's still the center of Athens, but everything around the Hellinikon project is still going up. The prices are going up. And the other place is all the Piraeus area. Because a lot of people invest there, because it was an old industrial area, and we have a lot of buildings that no one uses them. Wonderful. So everything is renovated right now. It's going to be for golden visa. So a lot of people are going to live there, and all the area of Piraeus is going to change.
Wonderful. Do you have any areas in particular, like, for example, Riviera Alimos, Paleophaleron, Microlimano, Piraeus, towards New Phaleron, stuff like that?
Oh, those are very good areas that those areas are very good. Forever, the prices are still in the same area. Really, it's not areas that have big differences.
Yeah.
If you buy something over there, you know that it will keep his price.
It will have value forever.
Yeah, forever.
Mm.
Then a lot of people are trying to go and invest near the new airport, which is a very good area. And there you can find the places with gardens, small,
So
one or two.
it's the areas around Prostiakos, or how they call it, the
Yeah.
Yeah,
the train, yeah.
Which connects the Piraeus area with the airport, actually, because you can get down to Piraeus with the same train, as I understand.
Exactly, you can go from the airport to the port, Piraeus.
Yeah, wonderful, wonderful. And also you can connect with Central Athens with the red Central line. Number 2, if I'm not wrong, the red one.
Right now we have another lane on the metro,
yes,
the 4th one. So anything around this new lane of metro, it's going to have an increase in the prices.
You mean the one that is passing through the Kolonaki Square,
Exactly.
Square, and so on and so on. So that's regions that are upcoming, and they will add in value if you invest in real estate before the line is open. Because as soon as the metro line will be finished, the properties will already add value, like 20–30%, as I understand. Yes.
Exactly.
So there is some speculations about the market right now, and many people, they are like debating, because the market was going up from like 2017, and it's like still increasing, and it goes fast as well. So do you expect for the properties to still increase value? Like, I mean,
we are going to have, I think that the prices will stabilize for a period of time, for about 1 year. But because we still have a lot of people from other countries that are coming here to invest, we understand that the prices are going to still go higher. Don't forget that we are still a very cheap country to invest.
Yes, for European, quite below the average for European countries. Well, thank you so much, Konstantinos. That's such a useful information, and it's been a blessing to have you on my podcast.